together, so we're.
Where do you guys go to school?
Ball State.
Where?
Ball State.
Ball State?
In Indiana?
Never heard of it.
Oh, really?
No. So here's the deal. Can't have any alcohol anywhere on the beach.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Okay.
So even if you got some in your cooler.
None.
So can't have any alcohol.
Okay.
Closed, open alcohol you could go to jail for.
Yes. Okay.
So we don't want that, right?
Right. No, definitely not.
All right.
Now, what's wrong with you guys having fake IDs?
This is so we just turned in alcohol.
We don't like.
Listen. You just turned a simple civil alcohol into a felony. Possession of a fake ID is a felony. You understand that?
Yes.
How old are you?
Felony.
Yes.
You're 20?
Like life ruining. Felony.
Yeah, I understand that, sir.
Why would you hand a fake ID to a police officer? Handing it to a bouncer at a bar is one thing. We're not security guards. We can look up this stuff.
Right.
Why would you do that?
I did not bring my real ID with me to the beach.
Okay, so you just hand a fake one to a police officer?
I mean, if you guys are gonna ask for my ID, I don't like. What
so
else
you can give me your name and date of birth, not a fake ID.
Okay.
You know this is fake. You hand it to me.
Right.
That's just stupid.
Okay.
Like that's a felony. Like that ruins college. Like that. Come over here. Well, he talks to her. I mean, this feels fake. Are you guys on spring break?
Yes, sir.
What's your last name?
Chinese ones where you put an order in and then they...
I have no idea. I got it through a friend at school.
I know. What's your real birthday?
05/21/05.
What's your address?
You're... Okay. Do you have an actual
I have a
Iowa?
photo of my ID.
That'll work.
Okay.
I'm talking about. What do you want to go to college for? Or what are you going to college for?
You all go to school together?
Yes.
And that
How do you think it'll affect
Indiana...
you trying to work in the
I
hospital?
forgot the name of it already. That school in Indiana, you said?
Ball State.
Ball State?
Yep.
Okay. I don't know what the rules are up there.
Mhm.
I don't know what campus police does.
Mhm.
But this isn't Indiana. This is
Yeah,
Florida.
right.
We take this stuff seriously.
Right.
Because it gets out of control here.
Do your parents know you're down here?
Like I said, giving a fake ID to a bouncer, it's
I
still
just like
it's,
didn't know what to do. It's like
still a felony.
right.
But just they can't look up stuff, right? They're
Okay.
gonna probably just take it
Right.
and tell you to beat it, right?
Right.
You're handing it to a police officer that
Yeah.
has capabilities to search everybody in America. That is just stupid.
Okay. I just like didn't know what else to do. I've never been in this situation before, obviously.
You're drinking alcohol on a beach, which pretty much 90% of the people do, but we have to come out here and obviously prevent it so stuff doesn't get out of hand.
Right.
Just be honest. You think it's the first time a 20-year-old
Definitely
or
not.
19-year-old has been drinking alcohol?
Right.
It's not. You think I haven't drank alcohol at 19 and 20?
You definitely have.
Okay,
Yeah.
so but to hand a fake ID to a cop is
Pretty fucking retarded. but
yeah,
Yeah.
that's pretty bad.
Yeah.
Where do you have the ID?
Where are you
out of
guys staying
Indiana?
down here?
We're staying in a house. We're actually in Tampa, but we drove here today. It's like 30 minutes.
Okay, like Airbnb.
Yeah. Well, at least I think so. That's what we got it
Date of
for.
birth again?
Okay.
What is it? 04. Okay, you tell me 03.
So did you come over the bridge right here? When you drove in, that long bridge with.
Oh yeah, we're just parked right over there.
So-
03, you said 03, now you're saying 04?
So when you came over that bridge, there was a big sign that said no alcohol on the beach. I'm sure you saw it. It was big, huge.
Yeah, right. I didn't see it, but like I'm agreeing. I'm sure it's there. You wouldn't say that if it wasn't.
All right. Let me see what's going on over there.
Whoa.
Listen to me. Stay seated. I asked you for your ID the first time. You gave me the fake ID. I asked you for your name and date of birth. You tell me 02. I say 02. You say no 03. Listen to me. I checked the system for 03. Nothing on file. Listen to me. How old are you? You say you're 20. I checked the system for 03. Nothing comes up. I asked you again. Hey, nothing's coming up. Oh, it's 04. How old are you? Now you're 19. First chance, I was gonna give you the ID. I was gonna try to see the system, see if anything came up, see if you were being honest. You're not being honest, I'm done with it. We're not here for this back and forth games. It's spring break, I just wanna have fun. You had your chance, and you already lied to me 3 times. 3 strikes, I'm done. That's it, you're going to jail. Stand up.
Okay, so wait, now what are our
Okay.
next steps? Because
Hold
this is
on.
a lot for us.
547, 49's got one female.
I never done this before. Sir,
49's got one female.
You're gonna have a seat right here.
The game plan.
it's all four. I'm telling you that.
Have a
I
seat.
know.
Have a seat.
Okay, well, you're going to jail, right? Where is the Pinellas County. We'll get to that information. Let us 3 minutes this right now.
Okay, you go on that side so I can so you can buckle it.
Yeah.
Okay. What on the floor is yours?
All of this whole entire bag right here.
This bag? Okay.
Yeah. Well, don't take that. You guys have to like confiscate it.
Is this hers? Is this yours?
Yeah.
Then it's going with her. That's it.
Oh, it's your property.
Just give her her phone and go.
Nope, it's her property.
Nope, it's her property. It's going with her.
Well, like.
Leave that alone.
Listen, lying to the police is the last thing we need to be doing. We're trying to help you out and get you a break. You were honest with me after the first day. I don't know why you continued lying to yourself.
I didn't.
Well, that's not an excuse.
You asked me twice. But I said,
The third time, got it. Exactly. You lied.
we're 18 years old.
Well, she told me she was 21, then 20, and then 19. So I'm done with it.
Yes, yes. Like, I get that. And we fucked up. Like, we're good. Like,
Drinking's one thing, okay? We would have. I could promise you, we would have been in a way better position if you guys were. If we went up to you and you guys were like, "Yeah, we're 18. We're sorry." You just gave us your real information. We would not be in this situation right now. I can assure you that. Okay? But actions have consequences. You handed. I don't even want to know about. We gave you a break from the first time of you handing him, my partner, an ID that was fake. That's strike number one. It shouldn't have to ask you 5 times what your actual birthday is. I asked your friend here, and she gave up after the first shot and gave me a picture of her ID.
Okay. You guys gonna search other people too?
I don't know. Are other people gonna give me fake IDs? Well, right now we're dealing with you guys. What about the other cooler?
Nothing in it but food.
Listen, do not lie
All right.
to the police. It's real simple. We're not bouncing out of car. That's when we'll let you put on clothing appropriate so you don't walk into jail in a bikini, okay? If you want your flip-flops now, you can put those on.
I have your shorts back here. I don't know if there's I think there's a sweater there.
Right
like
here,
up
the
top.
shorts and
Yeah.
this is yours, right?
Yeah.
So once they come, if you want, I could kind of drape it over you now if you don't want to be on display here. But
Thank you.
when they come, we can appropriately do that.
You're just gonna walk over right up there where he's at, bro.
Get out of there.
I'm gonna stay.
Yep.
Be alone. Doesn't matter. Okay. I've done some kind of commitment. Hello? Okay.
Because there's
Yeah, I got another female. Yeah. If you don't mind to share another female. That's why I asked. You don't plan to do something stupid, right? Okay. Just want to make sure.
You put the shorts on. He'll put him in front. Just take your glasses off. You go here.
Yeah,
No problem. Can she, in her wallet, she is her ID, and she has $2 and like a quarter and like something else. This, can they take it? No, the liquid.
I don't know. I can try it, man. What is that?
Sunscreen.
They know? They don't want it?
Oh,
I trust it.
yeah.
All right, and recording.